Does it feel good with that pillow? Is that a yes? Hi! You enjoyed your little seat?
Pringles right here. Corgi right here.
If I can fit on it then, if I... Corgi!
I'm a corgi!
Jamie's Vlog.
Good day into IBN. It's another nice day. We're actually in New Hartford. So I thought we'd get out for the day, just enjoy the fresh air. It smells whiffy, but it's okay. God, I remember like one of my neighbours having one of these.
Giant glass tube of nonsense.
Well, it's like a thermometer.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
You see the little tags? It has like 72 degrees, 60.
Oh! Really?
So, depending on what the chemical is, if it gets warm or hot, each chemical goes up or down.
That's actually kind of neat. Very nice.
Well, smoke now. And husband, we do barbecue again. Well, we got the weather for it. That's a fantastic thing to have.
It's freaking awesome.
No.
Happy about that.
May as well make the best of it now, because tomorrow's going back to rain.
Indeed.
I think
Just
next.
fell off.
Oh no! Do you want me to fix it for you?
That's alright.
We are having meats. We're having meats over there. And yeah, picked up one or two things from Piers Morgan's. I would say Piers Morgan's. But to try and figure out, because we need like extension leads and stuff, but it's like these little LED signs. Because we got one there for this room and we got one here for cocktail lounge. Like we're saying, because look at it, like, look at that, you so cute, you so cute, you so I like it. Dun 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 dun. Oh, happy husband. Happy husband cooking and barbecue again?
Yeah.
Oh, that is awesome. We're gonna eat that and most probably crash on the sofa. Hurrah! You want to sleep down? Husband is watching thing. What's it?
It's a really creepy fucking game. Well, anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, this game is like mad freaking creepy. I'm watching Susie.
Susie.
Kitty Cat Game.
Susie Benz. Okay. As well as that, I kind of dozed off a couple of times. That
Kinda
steak.
dozed off?
Yeah, that steak.
You got laid the fuck out, dude.
Well, you could call it a success.
Exactly. No, that was a stupendous success. That was probably the best steak you've ever had.
And if you could make me fall asleep like that, yeah. It was really nice. Now I want more.
It was quite good, I gotta say.
It was a perfect weather to barbecue. It was fantastic.
Yeah, it was. Hey guys, I'm gonna call it a night. It is late. I'm gonna get some sleep. So, yee. Wow. Oh, lovely. So yeah, thanks guys for watching today's. Thanks guys for watching today's video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And if you have, and you look at yourself.
Look at the thing. Blog.
We'll see you guys tomorrow for Brand Spank Billy Day. And hopefully. Nice star.